You got a shortage of time and money to do what you really love to do? These 3 crazy tips and tricks will help you to do just that, what you love to do. Number 1, get an assistant. You can get one from the Philippines, one from India, or one from your hometown, but outsource any and every single trivial thing that you don't like to be doing or that is less worth than your hourly wage that you need for your target yearly income. Second secret, compressed time. More is achieved in compressed time. So when you have a big task, give yourself a very little time to achieve it. And then go all out and full focus. And you'll see that more is achieved in compressed time. And last but not least, have fun. Gamify. Make whatever you do and think about how you can turn it into a game, so that you can have fun with it, and having fun with it will make time fly. Thank you very much for listening, and start implementing these secrets. Have a wonderful day, live with love and live with passion.